Welcome to the Green Valley Installation and Operation Tutorial Series. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to install the LiGrip O2 Vehicle Mount Kit. The Vehicle Mount Kit is designed for vehicle-mounted data collection. Select Vehicle Mode for vehicle-mounted operation. This does not affect other data collection procedures. Mount the Vehicle Mount Kit on a flat area of the hood or trunk lid. Clean the mounting surface before installation to ensure proper suction. The kit features a suction cup base for direct mounting to the vehicle surface. Make sure the arrow on the mount points in the LiDAR's forward direction. Next, install the device. Loosen the mounting knob, open the locking lever, slide the device into the mounting rail, then close the locking lever and tighten the knob. Next, install the battery. Align the battery connector with the device interface and slide it into place. A click indicates the battery is secure. The device is now ready for data collection. If using RTK or a virtual base station, complete the setup before data collection. When creating a task, select Vehicle Mode. The device will initialize before data collection. During initialization, keep the device still and avoid facing moving people or vehicles, as this may cause initialization failure and reduce data quality. Once initialization is complete, data collection can begin. To remove the device, press the battery release button and slide the battery out. Then loosen the mounting knob, open the locking lever, press the release button, and slide the device out.